Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to maintain your BMW 4.4 liter V8 turbocharged engine. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, what I have here is my 2014 BMW M6 competition. It has the 4.4 liter V8 turbocharged engine. The thing is about the 4.4 liter V8 turbocharged engine of this BMW, in the BMW M6 and BMW M5, the engine itself burns oil. That's right. I thought BMW was joking, so I looked in the manual. It says if you read the oil change sections, the oil level of this particular 4.4 liter V8 engine has to be checked from time to time. Come here, Rena, my daughter is here. What happened is a lot of people complain that the engine seizes on them because guess what? I have two cars. This is my Jaguar XKR 175. It has the 5.0 engine. It produces like 510 horsepower. With these two exotic cars, guess what? You have to check the engine oil level. Otherwise, you're gonna have a problem with the engine. And, see, like right now, you have to do it like this. You're gonna go start the engine, and then let's see. See, there is hold on. Here you go. Oil at the minimum. Come here. Look. The car is telling me engine oil at the minimum level. It doesn't mean that it's in the minimum. It's just you have to add 1 quart of oil as soon as possible. So let's do that. I'll be back. Hi everyone, you can put the engine oil for this car right here. The thing is, the oil change of this BMW is really expensive. The dealership will charge you around like $250 to $350 for the oil change, but you still have to check the oil change. Okay, don't just wait until the next oil change at the dealership. When that message comes up, okay, if you have this type of car, you have to fill it right away. So here we go, and make sure you have a good funnel. Put it here for me. And since the last time I did the oil change, if you watch my video, I used the Liqui Moly OW40. I prefer to use the same oil. This is why I always buy extra oil since I have this BMW M6. So yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a quart, and there's a measurement right here. Just like 1 quart right there. Okay. Just open it. It's really important. You cannot skip this. Once that message comes up, if you skip it and didn't refill the engine, your engine is gonna break. This engine is super sensitive. This is why a lot of people in the forum or online are complaining. My BMW M6 4.4 V8 liter V8 twin turbocharged engine cease. Okay, stop working, because they said, I'm just gonna ignore that message, just keep driving it. That's a no-no, especially if you have like this car right here. I have the Jaguar XKR 5.0 that produces like 510 horsepower. This is a supercharged one, and you have to change the oil. This is an expensive car, this two car. Okay, so anyway, let's do this. Let's go ahead and start refilling it. Yeah, I like this funnel. Hold on, because it, and then let's start refilling the engine oil. Yeah, the engine is nice and hot right now. The thing is, BMW won't let you measure the oil if the engine is cold. So I just, we just finished driving it around, and it will, show me the measurement. And then go ahead, make sure watch it, how much you put. Don't overfill it. And then let's see. I'll be back. Hi everyone, once you put 1 quart of oil, now you have to check the oil level through the vehicle info section. Let's go, Brenna. Let's check it out. Make sure you close, okay, the cap right here. Come here, Brenna. It says, look, the engine compartment is hot because it is really hot. And then you want to check the vehicle info right here. Come here, Brenna. Go to the click there, and then we're gonna go to vehicle status, and we're gonna go to oil level. And right now is checking. Oop, okay, let's measure it now. Let's go to the measurement. Let's measure it. It's fine. Now it's gonna measure the engine oil level. Come here, Brenna. Show them. Just let it run. If you own a BMW M5, M6, or any BMW with the 4.4 V8 twin turbocharged engine, you have to check the engine oil level. That's right. Some people don't know how to do their DIY oil change, so guess what? They wait until the next oil change, and guess what? They destroy their engine, and it's gonna be expensive to rebuild the engine of this M6, M5, or the infamous one, the BMW X5 M series, or the X6, the M series. That, you know, even the 7 series use the 4.4 liter V8 twin turbocharged engine. You have to measure the engine oil from time to time. Like today, after I measure it, it says, hey, your oil level is low, and now we're good again. We're back in business, and guess what? The message is gone. So yeah, this is a really good practice, guys. If you own a BMW M5, M6, X5 M series, or the X6 M series, this is a really good practice that you check your engine oil from time to time. Like today, I'm glad I checked it, because I always checked it at least once a month to make sure that the engine oil level is at the maximum level, okay? So the engine can operate properly without breaking down. And since I used the Liqui Moly the last time, you can either use Castrol. I use both, okay? I use Castrol, I use Mobile One. Some of you like Autel, it's great, but I prefer to use a Liqui Moly. You can use OW30 or OW40. The thing is, we live in a colder climate here in Virginia. We have winter. If you live in a warmer climate, you can use OW30 and you'll be just fine. Look at it in the manual, okay? It will say that. And yes, look at that. Now the error message is gone, and my BMW M6 is good to go again. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. Bye.